do this. So let's do cluster lashes. I don't know if you call it cluster or what, but let's do cluster lashes. So I hope you guys enjoy it and you're gonna learn so much from this video. So yeah, let's do it. So first of all, I use baby wipes just to remove excess glue, and then I use this mirror, but the view that is bigger so that I'm able to see myself easily. So I use this mirror just to, yeah. And then this is where I keep most of my things. So I got a tweezer. I'm using this type, and then I'm using this glue. It's not burning, it's not, and it lasts for like 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, so I don't get burnt unless I put my lashes closer, then that's when I can experience problems. So let's get into what. And then this is my scissor. This is the tape for the eyes, and then I use this, the bone side, the brush for it. And then there's another tweezer, but I don't normally use it. So let's get into what. I think I forgot to show you guys the lashes. These are my lashes. The lashes I can easily put on. I got them from Shein. So yeah, let's do this.
Ran it up. if I do they, it'll be Michael. Keep shit spicy, tipping tiny. Yellow bone chick look like K Donnie. Freaking the sheets, freak on them beats. Niggas been hooked since big old freak. I realized that I was the shit when R&B niggas wanna start rap beef. These niggas ain't got no name on them. Wish these hoes stop trying to put claim on them. He come around me, get game on him. If he don't go, then I already came on him. These new hoes sound like my mixtape. Bitches love saying my name like it's clickbait. I don't take shit if they come with the dishes. I don't rock shit if they come in his name. I'm not your better yet, so don't sleep on me. Look like a lick, then I'm putting the freak on them. All of these niggas is begging to hang. Cause my bitch a young thug and I'm the rich homie. Boy, I ain't finna read all them texts, don't know what it said, but I send that's a bet. Lately my patience been getting real low. Lately I feel like I need more respect. It was the money for me, ayy. He gon' go dummy for me, ayy. He ain't that cute, but he could dress. He's to protect for me, ayy. It was the need for him, the way that it squeezed for him, ayy. He done fucked a whole lot of bitches, but it was the mean for him, ayy. Y'all wanna take me out so bad, I make all of y'all hoes so mad. Hoes went about them big ass teeth, hear me out spell, still going outside. Hoes got jokes, but don't never wanna stand up. Hoes got balls, but you know I got handles. Damn, I must be Olivia Pope, cause y'all keep putting me in all of these scandals. He wanna hit one more time, I ain't pretty. He don't need no closure, my diamonds got clarity. Telling his new bitch that he don't do Instagram, really he hate when he scroll and see pictures. Like a new show, all these niggas is into me. Funny how Bessie turned into my end. I must be playing peekaboo, cause these hoes really can't see.
She tried to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on this cat. She tried to fly nigga in this cat. She tried to fly me no way out of here. She tried to fly nigga can't even see me on way out of here. To fly this cat. Hermes ash for the dawn, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Parking 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Making no mud, I made out of the sewer. Pro hard accessory, do that I'm good. Out of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Membership, championship, bitch, just gon' empty shit. Bitch, breaking ninjas, look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they're sad, they vanity. Niggas that try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100, it's up the gig. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I talk about a bellows, been put on the crib. I look at the ocean, it's like 30 M. You know where I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no funny, no matter where I'm in. I have touch your ass, you gon' bet you Korean. You fuck with me good, bitch, you kept you.
Windy City,
Get on the sea.
no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chugga, look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.